or upload it to the Google Drive, and then I'll put it together with like a behind the scenes thing.
It's recording.
It's recording. Oh, cool. We're recording our first ever unboxing video for lights because we're awesome. David.
Do I say something or do I just start going?
You do whatever you want to do. This is behind the scenes.
Oh, all right.
There is no script. This is live.
That sounds very scripted.
That's life.
All right.
That sounded very scripted.
Sounds very scripted.
Very scripted.
This might actually be
My
scripted.
entire life is scripted like that, though.
You just play in my script to like throw you off from us actually having a script.
Yeah.
Uh,
I wonder how many times we can insert script into this conversation.
Too many. You should really stop as you're writing this. If you haven't watched this 3 times, you so this is from wish.com, and I want to point out it's not from China.
Not from China.
Yeah, City of Industry, California, 91748. What if it's an actual city? That's like the street address and everything. I bet there's
It
actually
just said it was shipped from.
departure code.
That's not saying that that's where it came from.
Ship from California.
Yeah. I don't know. Did it say that it came from China?
When you were did you
Oh,
read
most of
the stuff?
Most of the stuff. Oh, there's Chinese. Okay, maybe it came. Made in China.
It did come from China.
It was made in China.
You lied to us and our viewers.
Well, you know, they can get over it maybe.
I'm gonna make sure that's in the subtitles.
For all the kids at home, this is not the proper way to use scissors.
Aren't you like a martial arts type of guy? You can't operate scissors.
No, I just don't feel comfortable doing it this other way because it's slower. Martial arts have to use scissors. Not master weapons.
You know, like slicing stuff.
So that's obviously the bag. Here's the umbrellas. That was almost cool. Ow! I hit myself. Alright, so that's...
I am now the penguin.
Ow. Oh,
I
okay.
am Cobblepot.
I bit myself. There's a little clippy thing here.
I need a top hat and a monocle right now.
Well, you're short and you got the
That's
statue
what
for it.
I need a top hat and a monocle.
Why is there a swoop there? Oh, whatever. So, as you see here,
Nice.
Stick it into the sun real quick and see what happens. Holy crap, it's like making...
Oh!
It's making the camera
If you
flip
do
out right
that,
now.
do not look into it.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, wow.
Oh, man. Right now, the camera does not know what to do about this lighting.
Alright, so that's cool.
Here, I'll hold on to that.
Oh,
Okay.
that's cool. And we can, I guess, keep the plastic or something.
Yeah, this is just something to help preserve it longer because
Alright, and then in here, we have another box. Oh, styrofoam, what I always want.
Boxing it. Doing an unboxing in the box.
Okay,
that
and
is a huge light.
good old fluorescent lamp.
Ooh, that's like the good one, too.
45 watts, 120 volts, 5500K.
Wow.
I'm sure no one besides electricians are gonna know what that means.
So,
I know what the watt
why is
means.
the voltage? I wonder what the K means. Maybe it just means kilo.
Kelvin.
5,500 kilos. Oh, it could be Kelvin.
Kilos.
ROHS. Okay, so that's cool. It's a very pretty light. Looks like it's powerful. This box is the same. Let's see what's in this one. Yeah, good. We're looking on time. Okay, here's all the cord. Oh, here's one cord for a light. So
So the light goes in
there's
there.
a light fixture. Then looks
The
like
umbrella.
yeah, it goes through there.
Let's plug it in. Check it out.
Yeah, because there's no tip on it, so I'll just slip right on.
Yeah.
And then I don't know exactly what this one's for. Maybe that's also for.
A stand.
The stand. It
Oh
needs to sit
yeah,
on.
yeah, that's for the stand.
Hey, let's plug it in and see what happens.
Yeah, I was actually going to do that when I get the
I
stand.
got it. I need the light. Where's the light?
Oh, where's the light?
There's a light right behind you.
David.
You're not gonna believe this? More umbrellas.
Oh, sweet.
Oh, nice. They're white.
All right, oh, and they have a logo on it. See what the logo says.
You are gonna break these.
Gosh darn it!
So if you guys are wondering where we got these umbrellas, you can see the logo on the side of it right there.
Yeah, well, we actually got them from Wish.
And right there, that's the company that made the stuff.
It was also on the box.
Not an ad.
Not an ad.
Not an ad. Not advertising.
Yeah, we went to wish.com. I think there's links and stuff. I could probably try put in the description if I can.
Not an ad.
Still not an ad.
Oh, yeah, just helping you
No
guys.
paid programming.
Anyone who's interested in doing the same thing we do. And these do not have a. I just realized. Obviously, it's for different lighting. They do not have the reflective interior.
Have to specify not an ad, or they're gonna shut down the. Shut us down.
Yeah, it's not reflective or anything, so it's probably like more lighter lighting. The lighting.
Plug it in, plug it in.
And our fixture. And instructions.
Yeah, we're guys. We don't need instructions. We just do it.
That's right. Men, we just know.
Do not hold on to the lamp when power on.
Hey, so you might need to know that.
Yeah, when power on. Power's not off, or power's not on.
Doesn't say that. I just saw my peripherals and tried to freak them out. I feel. It's not even plugged in.
Yeah. You ain't gotta freak me out. Are you kidding? I'm Tony.
Tony the Almighty.
The guy who quits every other day.
I quit every day at this point. It's not every other day.
Yeah, just a basic tripod looks like.
Ah!
Careful.
That sucks.
Okay, so it looks like a slice.
I'm sure it's a lot better when we don't have the natural sunlight blasting at us.
Not one of
Well-
those came in.
That also might be one of those coil ones that needs to heat up and get brighter as it goes.
Oh, check that out.
And we could always put a brighter light on it.
Well, yeah, I mean, the brighter light or
Look at those legs. Like, looks like they're just gonna barely come out, and then it's like, whoa.
probably helps if you adjust it right. Put the umbrella.
It is getting a little brighter. It's starting to make my phone.
Yeah.
Let's go and see how high these things get. Looks like this one goes higher.
Watch your head, David.
I don't know what this screw's for.
To tighten that.
How many people
man,
does it
that's-
take to put a light on top of a stand?
Are you pulling it up?
No.
No, he's picking it up.
Because I'm pushing down. Do you keep?
Oh
Yeah, that is you.
Yeah. Okay, I see what you're saying. Yeah. I was trying to make it fully because I want to see how tall it is. Oh, there we go.
Wow.
Nice.
So yeah, we got great overhead, and it looks like this up here tightens. I don't know, something. Maybe it goes higher.
No,
It comes off.
Nah, I was gonna say that's not what that's for.
It comes off.
So that tightens it. Make sure you can't take it off. Yeah, that's pretty nice. That's exactly.
Will you turn that on for me? Yeah, I
Come on,
can't-
Rich.
I can't reach up there. Thank you.
You can do it.
Oh, the lighting or the cord is a little short.
We could buy an extension
So,
cord.
We're not gonna-
so if you want overhead,
We're never gonna need it this tall. Okay?
like someone has a Jesus attorney hat on. Not advertising for Monster. And you want like a Monster shot.
Not advertising.
Not an advertisement. Not an ad.
I go with the live so you just can't see my eyes.
That's gonna be our one of our t-shirt ideas. Not an ad.
It's not an ad.
Not an ad.
This t-shirt is not on
But yeah, that works out really nice. David.
Yeah.
It's actually making the camera like.
Stand here.
There we go. Just go.
It's not like super blinding, so you won't be squinting. So
Oh, by the way, that Mountain Dew you guys see right there either, that's not Nad either.
Not Nad.
Same with the Crystal Cascade water, that's not Nad.
Nad.
Not Nad!
No product placement. W. You have made an excellent purchase to the studio.
Okay.
And
So
that men's restroom way back there, that's not Nad either. That's literally where the bathroom is.
Game for base. This is not Nad.
And there you have it. That's the
so,
unboxing.
okay. Step on. Tune in for part 2 if we make this a separate video where we actually check out the lighting in the actual video.
Maybe. Maybe
Yeah,
not.
we'll test out, give our review. I guess it'll still be the unboxing. Next one will be a review.
Upload it.
Uploading.
Upload it now.
Done.